Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store, and here in the search bar enter the X Icon Changer. After that, click here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app here and click here to continue to app. Now we can select one from these available applications, for example contacts. We can rename this app if you want. I don't want to do that. And then here select one from these available icons, or also we can select the photo from your device gallery, or just right now take a picture with the camera app. For example, I'll go with this one, then just click here on the right upper corner to OK. After that, just skip the ads here and click to add automatically. Then we can change the next icon by the same way. So, and now as you can see, we have here the new contact icon, where I'll just show you the default contact icon here. So as you can see, we just successfully changed the icon and the icon shape. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.